Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add freeze frame on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut PC, and then from here what we're going to do to add a freeze frame is we simply need to click on the freeze frame button right here. So first let us select our clip right here, and you can see the freeze frame button right here. So all we have to do now is position our playhead to where we want the freeze frame to occur. So let's say we want it to freeze the frame, maybe right here in the middle. And then from here, you want to go and click the freeze frame button. It's this one. Click freeze, and then as you can see, there will be a clip generated that is just, it says freeze, so that is a freeze frame one. And from there, you can add some effects into it, so whatever you'd like. So in my case, just for this example, is that I'll add an effect right here. So maybe I'll go for effects right here instead of filters. I'll go for edge glow, maybe. Yeah, I can go for edge glow. As you can see, it's now like this. And when I play it right here, it's like this one. Let's fast forward. Right here, it will be like this. As you can see, the frame is freeze, and now it goes back right there. And by the way, you can also extend your freeze frame by however long you want it to be. So you can do it like right here, so just like this one. And you can add more effects if you want. We can, for this is an example. So let's play it and see. This is the effect right there, and now it's back. And yeah, that is basically how you freeze frame in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching.